Today I would like to teach you how to make the carrot stitch. You will need to know how to do the single crochet and the double crochet.
Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts.
You will need 3 different colors. I have here orange, gray, and green. You will also need a corresponding hook. For me, I used a worsted weighted yarn with a G hook. You will start by making 3 rows of just single crochet. I did this over here just like I did down here. You will now crochet 3 single crochets before we change colors. You will not change colors during the last stitch because we want to make sure that only the orange is shown for the carrot. We are now going to drop our gray and we're going to pick up our orange. What we're going to do is you're going to see your stitch right here. That's the next stitch. You're going to go down 2 additional rows. So 1, 2, 3 right here. And that's where you're going to insert your hook. Simply insert your hook, pick up your orange in the back, and pull it up such that you have a really long loop. Now you might have to pull your gray a little bit over here so that that loop doesn't get super big, but you want the orange to get really big because if you don't, it's going to pull and crunch it together. So make it nice and big. Now yarn over and repeat that process 2 more times. So you pick up your yarn in the back, make a big loop, yarn over, and 1 more time. Pick it back up from the back. You're always going in the same stitch and yarn over. Now you're going to hold your yarn right here. You're going to drop your orange and you pick up your gray again. Now you're going to go all through all these loops right here. That's it. Now you're going to do a single crochet. And now you're going to repeat the process. So drop your gray. Now you're going to go down 1, 2, 3 holes or rows. You're going to pick up your orange in the back. Again, you make it very nice and big. Yarn over and do that 2 more times. Now you're going to make sure that you hold your yarn and that your gray is not super big. So you're going to pull it over here a little bit. And now you're going to go with the gray through all the loops. Again, make a single crochet. And repeat. We're going to do this 3 more times until the end of the row. And then we have a few more single crochet stitches right here. Now that we finished our 5 carrots, we're going to do 3 more single crochets. At this point, I just dropped the orange. And now you finished that row. We're now going to turn and we're going to use the green and the gray together. So now you're going to create an alternative turning chain or a chain of 3, which is the same as the height of a double crochet. That is an alternative turning chain, which is like a stacked single crochet. We're going to crochet a double crochet in the next stitch. But during the last loop right here for the double crochet, we're going to switch to green. You're going to drop the gray and pick up the green. We're going to pull the gray just a tad so it doesn't get so long, and then just let it hang there. We're now going to continue with the green. You're going to place 1 double crochet right through that green, make a chain of 1 and place another double crochet right in the same space. So you're going to insert it right here and come out through the orange part. Okay? You're going to pick up your green and finish the normal double crochet. A chain of 1. And again, through the same hole, go through it again and make another double crochet. That is now 2 leaves for the carrot. You're going to repeat the process for all the carrots. So go right through just like you see right there, and make your double crochet, chain of 1, and another double crochet in the same space. And again, we'll finish it up for the row. So at the end, you're going to not finish the last double crochet in green, and you're going to pick up your gray again. You could have run this gray at the same time, but I wanted to make sure I don't see it on the other side. So I'm actually going to weave it in the next row. You'll see it in a second. So you're now going to make 3 more double crochets right here, just to finish up the row. And now you're going to turn. So if you may have noticed, you probably have now more stitches up here than you should have. So we're now going to balance it out, and we're going to go back 1 row of just single crochets. But once we did our 3 here, we're going to place 1 single crochet between the leaves and 1 single crochet between the carrots. So let me show you what that means. So at the same time, I'm weaving in my gray here in the back. So 1 single crochet between the leaves and 1 single crochet between the carrots. So as you can see, I'm carrying my yarn here in the back and weaving in it at the same time. I'm just placing my single crochets between the leaves and behind the carrots. So the same is true at the very end here. And then we have 2 more single crochets. Now we're back to our normal number, and you've finished your carrots. It is a very easy way to make carrots and add them for a border or for an accent on a hat or a scarf. It's a very easy stitch to make. You can make as many carrots as you like. You can make as many spaces in between as you like, or like me, just back and forth and just having 1 single crochet in between. It is totally up to you how you're going to make your carrots using this carrot stitch. I hope this video was helpful on how to make the carrot stitch. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment below, and let me know what you are going to use this carrot stitch for. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the little bell so you get a notification the next time I publish a new crochet video or go live on my YouTube channel. If you would like the written pattern of this stitch, please check out the description below for a link. I hope I see you next time. Until then, bye!